Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another episode of Tap Lab, and today I'm going to show you how to add a Bitcoin emoji into your tweets. Okay, so here we are on Twitter, and we're talking about custom emojis in your tweets today. Let's go ahead and get out of the camera screen. So what we want to do is get a branded or custom emoji. You can see here there's some emojis that people are adding in their tweets, but these aren't custom emojis. Those are just emojis from your keyboard. So the one that I'm showing you is for Bitcoin. This is a custom one that Twitter has added permanently, and I'm going to show you how to use it. Let's go ahead and tap the tweet button. And then how this works, basically you can just type a hashtag. So for the Bitcoin emoji, you can type hashtag Bitcoin or hashtag BTC, which is Bitcoin's ticker. And then all you need to do is tweet. Just go ahead and find my tweet here. I don't know where it is, so I'm just going to go to my profile. You can check me out on Twitter if you want, at ANDYPNGR. Let's go ahead and tap on my tweet here, and you can see that it added a custom unique emoji behind my hashtags. So Twitter normally uses this for brands or campaigns, and they are limited. However, they have added a custom one for Bitcoin permanently. So that's how you use the Bitcoin one. Just use hashtag Bitcoin or hashtag BTC, and it automatically adds this unique emoji behind the hashtag. So I've seen this for campaigns before, maybe for like gaming, maybe Fortnite or something like that, or various events and movements. You know, when you use their hashtag, it would automatically add a custom icon behind that. But this is the only one that I know of that is permanent. If you guys know of more branded hashtags that are permanent, let us know down in the comments below so we can test those out. Maybe I'll make a video with a list of all of them. But for now, there's how you do it with Bitcoin. Just use the hashtags, it'll automatically add it behind it. Let us know what you guys think of this down in the comments below. Which custom emojis would you like to see permanently added? Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might well.